Welcome to the Tryout Kitchen. Today we are going to make raspberry flavored pancakes. I hope you follow through, enjoy and try it out yourself. To prepare this, you will need sugar, all-purpose flour, eggs, vanilla essence and the raspberry essence, and milk. In a bowl, mix your dry ingredients, that is 1 cup of sugar, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt. Aim for a consistent mix during this process. Add your 5 eggs to the mixture, 2 cups of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and a teaspoon of raspberry essence. Using a hand mixer or a whisker, whichever you have, whisk until it is well done. Preheat your pan and put just a tablespoon of cooking oil to prevent your pancakes from sticking if you're not using a non-stick pan. Otherwise, pour your pancake mixture onto the pan. You could use a bottle, serving spoon or measuring cup, whichever you have, to obtain equal sizes. Tilt the pan sideways to allow the mixture to spread evenly and let the bottom side cook, then flip for the other side to cook. When you obtain the brown that you desire, put the pancake on a plate. Do the same for the rest of the pancakes until you're done. Serve your delicious pancakes with tea, hot chocolate, coffee or baked beans, whichever suits your meal. If you enjoyed watching this video, click the like button and tell us what you think on the comment section below. Also, please subscribe if you would like to get more of these videos and click the bell button to get notified when we upload. Until next time, enjoy!